This is what happens when you don't wear a seatbelt. See, we have a little Bidbis and a little patchy Bidsu here. Hi, Bidbis. Nimbus.
Nimbus.
He's so nice. But these bids have a problem. They don't wear seatbelts. Little bid, put on a seatbelt.
No.
Oh, that's mean, little bid. You gotta think good. Oh, I got stars on my hand.
No.
I got the star.
You don't want to wear
Oh, but baby bid, you might get hurt. Right, Cheepa?
You don't cow.
Cheepa, do you care?
She?
Will you wear a seatbelt?
She?
Bad, Cheepa. You're gonna fall. You're gonna get hurt. Don't give me that, Cheepa. You're gonna get hurt.
Cheepa? That's Reese's turned away.
Bid, you're gonna get hurt. Yes, Suicune, tell them they're gonna get hurt. Don't worry, Bid. That won't kill you. You're safe for now. Bid, there are train tracks coming.
No!
Bid, there are train tracks. No, wear a seatbelt, little Bid.
No!
The car bumps. That's why you always wear a seatbelt.